Hi, I'm Sarah Marie, and I own Greenhouse on Main in Brooksville, Florida. Greenhouse on Main is an artisan boutique that sells imported furniture and home goods, all natural soaps and candles, and organic plants. But we aren't just your average boutique. We have developed a community initiative called the Greenhouse Project. The Greenhouse Project uses our space here at Greenhouse on Main to collaborate with other local small businesses to host community events and workshops in hopes to empower and connect with the community. As small businesses, we are the backbones of our community, and we feel like it's our responsibility to use our platform to create positive change. And that is what the Greenhouse Project is all about.
The things I love most about Greenhouse on Main are the people, the events, and all of the beautiful things that are always available. From candles to cute home decor. It's one of my very favorite places to come find a little trinket or even a gift for some friends. It's also one of my favorite places to recommend for the community to come check out because it's always a great smiling face and something new to look at every time you come in.
I love that anytime you come in here, it's something different. It triggers new memories of the past, like your grandma's house or different things that you've seen throughout life, and just different interesting things. Not always, it might not even be something old from grandma's house. It might be a really nice smelling candle, or just a lot of different variety and very positive, good energy. Sarah Marie, she's awesome and great and friendly, and just smiling faces and good energy in here.
Please join our Facebook group, Greenhouse on Main, to stay up to date on all of our upcoming workshops and other community events and our epic online sales. And from all of us here at Greenhouse, welcome to the family.